sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Once again, good morning to everyone. Yeah, today everyone know that it's June 5th, and I guess from our childhood, when it comes to June 5th, we might be enjoying our school day. That might be in our schools. They ask us to plant, and they ask us to enlighten with by the knowledge saying, yeah, protect our environment, protect our environment. Let's be frank for the day now. How many of you have planted trees, and how many of you have taken care of it? Can anyone please raise your hands who have planted trees as well as taken care? Yeah, Sami, yeah, SV, yeah, Shakshi, yeah, very good. Tanushri, very good. That's great. Yeah, that's great to hear that. Yes, we have participants who have been uh, working as an environmentalist. That's great, 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 great. Okay, cool. Guys, today, so on behalf of Dr. Gopinath Rao Group of Institutions, on behalf of Vijay Surya Educational Trust, on behalf of our management as well as staff, okay, we wish you a happy Environment Day, and we wish that we will definitely protect our environment because, see, uh, today we have a scarcity of oxygen also. Why we have a scarcity of oxygen? We never questioned ourselves. The thing is, we are just cutting down the trees for any of the market prices that might be. We need a furnitures. Yes, we cut down the trees, we'll make it a furniture. We need papers, we cut down the tree, we make it papers. See, the only thing is we are cutting down the trees where the nature is now been playing a role to us. We say it as right. We Indians always say we believe in karma. That's what the karma has been written now, and everyone has been struggling with that. So for today, from today, we promise that, hope everyone are with me. Everyone will promise with me. If so,
Yes,
please
sir.
unmute, not a problem.
Yes, sir.
If you can just follow me, if you can just repeat with me, that will be good. Hope everyone have
Yes, sir.
unmuted. Yes, yes, yes. So I promise that
I promise that
I will
I
I
I
will
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 plant a tree
plant
plant
a
a
plant a
tree
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 and take care of it
and take
and
care
take
of
care
it
and take care of it
and take
and
care
take
of
care of it
on my every birthday,
on my
on my
every
birthday.
and I say that
And I
and
say
I
I will never leave this opportunity
I will never leave this
to plant the
opportunity
tree
to
plant
to
a
plant
plant
tree
a tree
for my every birthday.
for
to
my
my
every birthday.
Yeah, guys, this is the key concept there where we celebrate our birthday by giving chocolates, by giving party to our friends. At the same time, let us just take a minutes so that we'll just plant a small tree and we'll take care of it every day. See, it's just a simple idea where based on our lifespan, ನಾವು 40 ವರ್ಷ ಬದುಕಿದ್ರೆ 40 ಟ್ರೀನ ಹಚ್ಬೋದು, 50 ವರ್ಷ ಬದುಕಿದ್ರೆ 50 ಟ್ರೀನ ಹಚ್ಬೋದು. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದೇ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ 100-200 ಟ್ರೀನ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ವಿ ಡೂ ದಟ್. ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. Especially on this day, we'll plant 100 to 200 trees in an empty land. We'll water it for 2 or 3 days and we'll come back. Instead of doing that, we'll promise ourselves that yes, on every birthday date we will just plant one tree and we'll just take care of it. Hope everyone will abide this and everyone will follow this.
yes sir
Yes, sir.
Yes, on this
Yes, sir.
yes
yeah, on
sir
this auspicious moment, I welcome all of us, all our staff, management, as well as our students. And before starting, yes, I want to start with one of the greatest women of our society who's been played a very important role when it comes to acting as an environmentalist. Many of them will be knowing her. She is none other than Amma Salumarada Timaka, who has been played an important role where she have worked for 4 kilometers of trees and we can also call it as a Vriksha Mate as well as Prakruti Mate, and she has been awarded Padma Shri. And one of the proud moment is that she is from Karnataka, okay, from Gubbi Taluku, Tumkur, okay. So by remembering her, today I ask our principal sir, Dr. Maula Hussain sir, as well as yeah. Anyway, he's coming doctor. He's been completing his PhD, not a problem. So I call Mr. Maula Hussain sir, as well as our other staff members, and Ms. Tanushri Jogi and Charan Teja to switch on their cameras, and we'll start this auspicious moment by watering the plants. Yes.
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 Yes. Good morning, one and all.
Good morning, sir.
All of you had your breakfast.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, friends. Just I wanted to say a few words on this occasion. That is a wonderful occasion that is called as World Environment Day. Okay. So today we are celebrating entire the world. We are celebrating the World Environment Day. Okay, that is on June 5th. Okay, so World Environment Day is celebrated every year on June 5th globally. It is a day on which we spread awareness about the environment and the need to conserve it. Okay, so ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಎಂಟೈರ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಆಗೋ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ತರ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, so moreover, it is essential to advocate for a greener environment and conservation of nature. So as just now sir was mentioning that, so as day by day, so what is happening in our environment, we are just losing this our oxygen. Okay, so these trees will give us oxygen. So because of the cutting of the trees for the various this commercial purposes, so we are losing this quality of air. Okay, so we need to preserve this environment. For what purpose? For the now many of the hospitals are struggling for the oxygen. Okay, many of the patients are struggling for the oxygens, right? So we need to preserve this environment for our better future. Okay, so moreover, it is essential to advocate for a greener environment and conservation of the nature. So we need to conserve our environment for the future generation. Okay, so it is quite simple, as when we conserve the environment today, the future generation will be able to lead a healthier life. So now namma at present environment ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. along not only a good future, along with that we can create a healthier future. So for that reason I just appeal you to protect our environment. Okay, not only protect our environment, you just, as sir was saying, that we need to plant trees. Okay, so at least one tree on your every birthday. Okay, so prati birthday one tree you plant madi. Okay, so not only you people, including myself, I will just take a pledge from today that I will just treat it. I will just do a plantation. Okay, on my every birthday. Okay, so generation will be able to lead a healthier life. We cannot be so selfish and use up all the resources for ourselves. So now namagoskara, see, as being human being, so namma mentality enu, so we are very selfish. So now namdu anteli ನಾವು ಬಹಳ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So we should not be like that. Okay, so we should think of as well as society. ನಮ್ಮ society ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ನಾವು think ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so World Environment Day is the perfect opportunity to we people to make the aware of the issues we are facing. So ಈ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡೇ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಏನು ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು, ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಏನ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ನ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್, ಆ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ like we should create some awareness in the society, like how to protect this environment. Okay, so and how one can contribute to saving it, how we can also think of this various, with the brainstorming sessions we should think about the environment, and we should also plan so how and all we can protect this environment. So adr bagge ನಾವು think ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Thus it is quite important in its own way. So we need, just I wanted to say that it is important, as we are not here for one day, 2 day, we are here for, like, we can't say when our life will get end. So until our life will get end, so what we should do, we should protect our environment for not
Yes, yes. Now why urge?
With these words,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you able to hear my voice?
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
due to some technical reasons, got disconnected.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
with these words, students, today we just wanted to inaugurate this World Environment Day. So I just wanted to inaugurate this World Environment Day with just pouring a water to a plant, and I am naming my plant name as Dr. Gopinath Rao Group of Institutions. ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹೆಸರು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಗೋಪಿನಾಥ್ ರಾವ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಗೆ ವಾಟರ್ ನ ಪವರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ ನ ಇನಾಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Yes, we do that. Yes.
So all of you just name your plant names. So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಗೋಪಿನಾಥ್ ರಾವ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅಥವಾ ಮನೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಒಂದು ವಾಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡೇ ನ ಒಂದು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ pouring the water to my plant. Yes, you can just see on the screen. Can't I then yeah. Can you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So just I am pouring. Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So with this, today let us have a healthy environment day. Okay. So healthy and safe environment day. Okay. So hope all of you do the same thing. You just hoping the same thing that you people also will just plant a tree for our future. Okay. So I just wanted to thank each and everyone for giving me an opportunity to speak few words on this environment day. Thank you, everyone. Yes, just hand over the session to Srinivas sir. He will continue this session.
Yeah. Thank you, Hussain sir, for your words. So I urge to take this opportunity and request our student Tanushree from science stream as well as Charan Teja from commerce stream to switch on their videos, and with this, yeah, I ask my students even to take their opportunity to water the plants and inaugurate the session by themselves. Please. Hurry up, please. Yes, you can. Tanushree, over to you.
Sir, good morning. Good morning, everyone. I am Tanushree Jogi. Today, in this auspicious moment, I want to tell a small poet. That is, I grow plants for many reasons: to please my eye or to please my soul, to challenge my patience for novelty or for nostalgia, but mostly for the joy in seeing them grow. So this was said by David Hobson. So I have named Dr. Gopinath PU College Hospete, and I'm pouring the water now. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Charan Teja, you can take this opportunity to, and you can speak few words or you can water the plant.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Charan Teja, and I'm giving a slogan. Let's make a promise to the world that we won't harm Earth anymore and well make it healthier one. Pouring the water.
Yes, I thank my
Thank you.
students. Yes, Charan Teja as well as Tanushree. Yes, thank you guys. Coming back to the webinar. Yes, without wasting time, today we are supposed to learn what is this environment and sustainable development of an environment. Here, end of the session, let me introduce a new type of farming to you guys, where you can do it in your home also. Okay, we call it as soilless farming. We have other name to it also. We'll go to the session. Shall we start the session for the day?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Okay. Without wasting time. Yes, it's a general topic everyone will be knowing. I'll not cook you more, but definitely I'll ask some questions for you guys, and in between we'll start the session for the day. Okay. Yeah, on behalf of everyone, this GIF is planting. This GIF is watering the plant. You might have seen the an image which has been watering the plant. This is on behalf of everyone. So now coming back, yes, environmental problems. Yes, guys, we have many of the problems. That might be a food supply problem. These are the major environmental problems. Just can anyone just say what is this environment before getting into it? Can anyone just say what is environment? Buddies, what is environment? Yeah, can anyone say what is environment?
A place where we live.
Huh?
A place where
place
we live in
where-
a suitable condition.
Yeah, suitable conditions, or the place where the living organisms habitat, right? We call it as environment. Yes, when it comes to this environment, everyone know this environment. You have learned from your classes, so I have not took that slide. Instead, the major problems we are facing in this environment is, yes, guys, we are placing air pollution, water pollution, waste production, as well as food supply problems, biodiversity depletion. See, we always say we have many of the moments. We are doing many of the major moments. That might be your Save Tiger movement. Or see why we are doing that, because we have habitat destruction. See, that's what we are doing is we are not able to protect not only ourselves. We are not protecting ourselves nor our environment nor our forestry for our future generation. If we go on like this only, I guess our future generation will definitely learn about tiger, lion, as well as forestry in their lessons, rather than looking them at in a practical scenario. So with this, yes, let me start. What are the causes of our environmental? Is that the first and foremost cause is pollution growth, population growth. What is this population growth? Why? How does this affects our environment? Everyone will be knowing this. Yes, India has certain boundary with around thousands of kilometers. So out of this, if our population grow, what we are supposed to do? Definitely we need a place to live. What we do? We'll start acquiring lands, farms, right? By that, what happens? Definitely by the population growth, we cut down the trees. Just we need a place to live. We'll cut down the trees. We cut down the trees because we need furnitures. We cut down the trees because we need a shelter. By doing this, what we are doing, this is the major cause of our environmental problem. The next what we are doing is wasteful and unsustainable resources. Yes, everyone know that we are in the era of fossil fuels. With that, we are using plastic. We are using plastic bottles. How many of you are there here that, yes sir, we buy plastic water bottles outside. Once we completely drink it, we'll just crush it out and throw away. How many of you will crush and throw? How many of you directly throw it? See, which has been a major problem, guys. Not only that simple thing, I'll explain in a very simple manner. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಲಿನ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಲಿನ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ತರ್ತೀರಾ ತಾನೆ? ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಲಿನ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ತಂದಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಕತ್ತರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕತ್ತರಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ that small waste also, it takes lots of year to decay. ಆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸು ಯಾರು ತಿಂತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ, ಮೀನೋ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿಸ್. Poverty, yes, we have below poverty line since we are underdeveloping country. That also affects our environment. See, other than this, yes, the first and foremost thing is that we don't have complete knowledge on how does this nature works. With this, we often go with cost effective environment. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿ. See, this is also been cost effective environment. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ when we need, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. If you are looking for furnitures, you look for various trees ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಟೀಕ್ ವುಡ್, ರೋಸ್ ವುಡ್, ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ತಾನೆ? ಮನೇಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೋಫಾ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಟೀಕ್ ವುಡ್, ರೋಸ್ ವುಡ್, ಯಾವ ವುಡ್ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ತಾನೆ? ಸಿ, ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್, ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ ವುಡ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ ತೊಗೊತೀವಿ. ಅಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಇಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೀ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಬಾಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್ ಆದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಬಾಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅವರ್ ಥಾಟ್ process over there. Coming back, yes, so these are the major causes of our environmental problems. What is the solution, guys? First thing is that we have to understand our environment, and the second most thing is that we are supposed to practice sustainability. What is this understanding our environment, practicing sustainability? Understanding is that let us not take India, let us not take even Karnataka, let us not take Ballari, we'll take just our hospital. See, recently you have seen, and it's been a trending news, Manikanta, no need to work on slides. So recently you have seen, and it's been a trending news in hospital, it might be in Instagram, Facebook, 2 major trees in VNC was cut down. How many of we went and opposed it? How many of you went and opposed it? No, we never opposed it. Instead, we have been part of it by sharing the status. That is what we are always active in social media, to share the status of Environment Day, to share the status of some other movements what's been going on through our society, but we are not able to stand for it. That is the major thing we are supposed to do. So I urge my students, whenever we have an opportunity to stand for an environment, definitely we will stand for it. Hope everyone agree for it, right? Hope everyone agree for it. If so, please raise your hands. Am I audible? Yeah. Okay. Yes, and as everyone know what is environment, everyone know what is ecology.
Yes, sir.
Ecology, yes, it is a relationship between living organisms as well as environment. Everyone know about environment, so without wasting time, I will come back. How does this sustainability is? We say sustainability as an endurance system of an process ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನಿದು endurance systems and process ಅಂದರೆ, see how this biological system is diverse and productive ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಸ್ಟೈನಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಬದುಕೋದಲ್ಲದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬದುಕಿಸ್ಕೊತಿದ್ದೀವ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನೇ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಸಸ್ಟೈನಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್. ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಪೀಸಸ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಡೋಂಟ್ put your boundary only for trees. When it comes to sustainability, we are supposed to protect animals, species as well as living organisms as well as trees. So coming back, what are the resources we have for sustainability? We have 3 resources, guys. Everyone will be knowing first, second and third. Renewable and non-renewable resources. Can anyone summarize what is this renewable and non-renewable resources? Take this opportunity, not a problem. Can anyone summarize what is this renewable and non-renewable resources? Is there anyone? Okay. Let me come back. What is this perpetual? Perpetual resources andre eno, renewable resources andre eno, non-renewable resources andre eno. The resources which are continuously working by the nature and it's been used by human scale. Human scale andre ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ನೇಚರ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ಪಿಟ್ಯುಯಲ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪರ್ಪಿಟ್ಯುಯಲ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಈಸ್ your solar energy as well as wind energy. This is also a step for sustainability of resources in order to maintain or protect our environment. ನಾವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಪ್ಯಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ not only we can sustain our electricity, but instead we can also give this electricity for some other people or for some other resources. That is how your solar energy works. Wind energy, yes, ಯಾವತ್ತಾದರೂ ಈ ವಿಂಡ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿಗೆ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾ? ನಾವು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಳ್ಳಾಕಿ ತಿರುಗಿಸಿದೀವ ಅದನ್ನು? ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ. ದ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಎನಿ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್, ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಪರ್ಪಿಟ್ಯುಯಲ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್. ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ಎಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿನ್ಯೂವಬಲ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್. The resources which can be recycled, we call it as renewable resources, and the resources which cannot be recycled, we call it as non-renewable resources. But when it comes to non-renewable resources, we are supposed to understand these 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. What is this reduce andre? Let us use less resources. That might be a plastic. Kadime use madana. Reuse. If we are using it, try to give it for ಅದನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರೀಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ರೋ ಇಟ್ ಅವೇ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಒಸಿಬೇಕು? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಸಿಯೋದಲ್ಲ, ರಿಸೈಕಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ 3 R's maintain. If we maintain these 3 R's, definitely we will be a part of this sustainability in the environment. Hope we will maintain from today reduce, reuse, recycle. What am I saying is reduce, reuse, recycle ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ಟಿಯವರು ಕಸ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಅದನ್ನು ವಿಂಗಡಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಡ್ರೈ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್? ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ವಿಂಗಡಣೆ ಮಾಡಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ನೋ ಹಿಯರ್? ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಹಸಿ ಕಸ ಒಣ ಕಸ ಅಂತ ತೆಗ್ದಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? ಎಸ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ನೋ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್? None of them are doing this, guys. Many of them, yeah, that's great if we are doing. If you guys are doing, that's great. But including me, yes, because of lack of time, because we don't want to spend time with the dust, including me, we won't do that. That is the major problem of this non-renewable resources, or it might be a dustbin. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, 2 ದಿನ 3 ದಿನ ಕಸದವನು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾವು ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೋ ಅಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೋ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ದೂರದಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗಿ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪುಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೆನಲ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್, ರೈಟ್? ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾರೋ ಕೆನಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸಿತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನದಿಲಿ ಕೆನಲಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸಿತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಅ ವಾಟರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್, ಎಸ್, we have 4 principles for this. Principles of sustainability ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವುದು? we are supposed to maintain reliance of solar energy. solar energyನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು, because which is endless energy for us, which is infinity. And biodiversity, yes, how to maintain this, how to protect our ecological or biological species as well as animals. Nutrient cycling and population control. If we control our population, definitely we will reduce to acquire the land of the earth. If we reduce to acquire the land of the earth, definitely now we cannot go for reserved forest. Instead we can go for unreserved forest. ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ NH ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರ, ಕಾದಿತ್ತ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಅಥವಾ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಯಿಂದ. ವೈ ದೇ ಆರ್ ರಿಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅಕ್ವೈರಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಅಕ್ವೈರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೇ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಅಕ್ವೈರ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ತಾಲೂಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿಕಲ್ ಬೌಂಡ್ರೀಸ್. ಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ಎಸ್, as I said, one of the best example today I want to share for sustainability is sustainability of the development. Sustainable ge ಒಂದು simple technology upcoming as well as which is been a blooming technology where not Indians, other countries has been already implemented this. We call that as vertical farming, which is also a very best option for sustainability. ಈ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ನ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಾಲ್ಕನಿಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫೋಟೋ ವೇರ್ ದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೆಡ್. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This particular technology is been soilless farming ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಪೋನಿಕ್ಸ್, ಆಕ್ವಾಪೋನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಏರೋಪೋನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಗಿವ್ ಮಚ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಟು ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗ್ರೋ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಏರ್ ಮಾಯ್ಶ್ಚರ್. ಏರ್ ಮಾಯ್ಶ್ಚರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾಯ್ಶ್ಚರ್ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಮಾಯ್ಶ್ಚರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೆಳೆಯೋ ರೀತಿ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿನ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಪ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ. ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ರೀಸನ್, ರೈಟ್? ವೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಸ್ಟೈನಬಿಲಿಟಿ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಹೌದು ತಾನೆ? ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ, ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಸಸ್ಟೈನಬಿಲಿಟಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೌ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ by acquiring this technology or by acquiring this technique. We call that as vertical farming. In the sense, vertical farming ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ತಾನೆ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ. ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಗ್ರೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ದಟ್ it consumes carbon dioxide, it gives oxygen back, it makes sure that we get pure air. With that you might be, sir ನಾವು ಬರೀ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ಗೆ ಏರ್ಗೆ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಬೇಕಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ cultivate herbs as well as vegetables in this vertical farming technology. Isn't it interesting this particular technique? Isn't it interesting? Interesting ilva? Cool, not a problem. Okay. So this vertical farming is one of the best sustainable option. And with this, yes, the main idea was that we must act responsibly for protecting our environment as well as support many generations to make sure that definitely they will look out the trees. ಬರೀ ಗಿಡ ಮರ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ನ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಕಲಿಯೋ ಬದಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಜನ್ರೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅರ್ಜ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಶೋರ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ world as well as protect our earth too. Hope everyone will do this.
Yes, sir.
Yes. With
Yes,
this,
sir.
yes. Does anyone wants to share your opinions on this? You can. Any students who wants to share your opinion, please go ahead. Any students who wants to share their opinions? None of them? Okay. Yes. Hussain sir, do you want to talk anything about this?
No, just wanted to say thank you everyone for joining in this session. Okay. So, and hoping the same thing that we are just trying to protect our environment right from today. As you know, we are facing so many problems. Okay. So, for that, keeping that in our mind, so we need to protect our environment, not only for we people as well as for our future generations. Okay, so with this I want to thank each and everyone for joining today's session. Okay, so I wanted to thank our management. Okay, so I want to thank each and every staff member for giving me the opportunity to speak a few words on this occasion. Yes, thank you Srinivas sir. Yes, thank you everyone.
Yeah.
Have a good day and stay safe, stay healthy.
Yes guys, with this, yes, we will keep up the promise anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, and thanks for bearing me and thanks for attending this session, and hope the session was useful for you guys. And I thank our management as well as staff as well as participants. Yes, without participants we cannot move on these sessions. Yes, I thank all the participants for your support, and yes, once again I wish everyone a happy environment day, and definitely hope that we go hand in hand to protect our environment, we go hand in hand to protect the trees, and we always stand for environment. Thank you everyone. Shall we end the session for the day?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Have a nice day, sir.